Tech lovers, get ready. From mind-blowing gadgets to life-changing innovations, we're counting down the 10 coolest must-have devices you can grab on Amazon and online right now. Imagine entering a world where creativity meets convenience. Gadgets that turn mundane activities into exceptional experiences. These aren't just tools. They're technological wonders created to inspire, entertain, and simplify your daily life. Whether you're seeking for cutting-edge technology to enhance your entertainment, smart home solutions, or gadgets to make your hobbies more fascinating, this range will blow your mind. These technologies, which range from augmented reality glasses that change visual experiences to small devices that blend elegance and practicality, are more than simply objects. They're a glimpse into the future. Let's look at these incredible products and see how they can impact your world. Dogs Play. Dogs Play is a smart gadget that keeps pets entertained and active. It includes a range of functions to interest your dog's mind and body, such as interactive toys and treat dispensers. Whether you're at home or away, Dog Play keeps your pet happy and healthy. Its user-friendly design and sturdy construction make it appropriate for dogs of all sizes and kinds. With configurable settings and smart connectivity, you can monitor and adapt activities to meet your pet's needs. Dogs Play is the ideal combination of entertainment and practicality for your canine buddy. Tracker Mini. Dive into the world of music production with the Tracker Mini, a compact device that lets you create and mix tracks on the go. Designed for musicians and producers, it offers powerful features in a portable package. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, the Tracker Mini makes it easy to bring your musical ideas to life. With intuitive controls and versatile functionality, this gadget is perfect for experimenting with new sounds and rhythms. Its lightweight design and robust battery make it ideal for travel, allowing you to create wherever inspiration strikes. The Tracker Mini is a must-have for anyone passionate about music. Key Anchor. Streamline your key organization with the Key Anchor, a simple solution that combines design and purpose. Made of high-quality materials, it keeps your keys secure and accessible without the bulk of standard keychains. Its innovative design allows for simple attachment to belts, purses, or pockets, ensuring that your keys are always accessible. But the Key Anchor is more than just functional. It's also attractive. Its sleek, modern design matches any setting, making it an ideal addition for professionals and adventurers alike. Whether you're heading to work or going on a trip, the Key Anchor keeps your keys organized and easy to find. Polar Pupil. Elevate your everyday carry game with the Polar Pupil, a titanium-crafted EDC multi-tool. Designed for durability and versatility, this gadget combines a range of tools in a sleek, pocket-sized design. From cutting tasks to small repairs, the Polar Pupil is built to handle it all, making it an essential tool for adventurers and handymen alike. What sets the Polar Pupil apart is its attention to detail. Every edge and surface is optimized for functionality, ensuring maximum efficiency without sacrificing aesthetics. Whether you're hiking, camping, or tackling DIY projects, this gadget is a reliable companion that fits right in your pocket. InMotion V14 Adventure. With the InMotion V14 Adventure, you can redefine your personal mobility. This electric unicycle provides unprecedented speed, range, and performance, making it ideal for both adrenaline seekers and commuters. Its innovative suspension system gives a comfortable ride even on uneven terrain, and the strong engine delivers remarkable acceleration and stability. The V14 Adventure is elegant and easy to use, thanks to its sleek design and intuitive controls. It has a powerful battery that provides extended range, allowing you to explore without limitations. Whether you're navigating city streets or going off-road, this device guarantees an amazing ride every time. Keyunity KF02. The Keyunity KF02, a tiny multi-tool designed to make your life easier, will help you stay organized and beautiful. This gadget blends function and elegance, providing a streamlined solution for easily carrying and accessing keys. It's made of long-lasting materials, but has a lightweight design that won't weigh you down. But the KF02 is more than simply keys. It includes extra tools such as a bottle opener, screwdriver, and more, making it an adaptable companion for everyday activities or unforeseen emergencies. Its ergonomic design offers comfort and ease of use, whether you're unlocking doors, troubleshooting minor issues, or opening a cold beverage. The Keyunity KF02 demonstrates that amazing things come in tiny packaging. Tempo-X Submarine. The Tempo-X Submarine, a remote-controlled underwater marvel, allows you to unleash your inner adventurer. Designed for adventurers, this gadget lets you to dive deep and snap amazing images of marine life, shipwrecks, and hidden undersea riches. The Tempo-X, with its durable build and extensive functionality, offers high-resolution imaging and smooth navigation, making it a perfect choice for both hobbyists and professionals. The submarine has intuitive controls, ensuring a smooth experience even for first-time users. Its sturdy construction and long-lasting battery make it suitable for longer underwater explorations. Whether you're exploring coral reefs or doing underwater inspections, the Tempo-X submarine adds wonder to your excursions, making it a genuine one-of-a-kind tool. Namdic R150. The Namdic R150, a powerful portable projector, allows you to bring entertainment with you wherever you go. This small device provides a theater-quality experience wherever you are by projecting bright, vibrant images onto any surface. Whether you're having a backyard movie night, gaming with pals, or presenting an outdoor presentation, the R150 provides excellent pictures and sound quality. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making an ideal companion for travel and unplanned parties. But the R150 is more than just convenient. It's also versatile. With its sleek look and powerful performance, the Namdic R150 demonstrates that big enjoyment can come in tiny packages. Delta Faucet Hydro Rain. The Delta Faucet Hydro Rain can transform your bathroom into a spa-like hideaway. This revolutionary dual-head shower system incorporates luxury into your daily routine by offering two separate modes: a gentle rain shower and a forceful spray. The rain shower head provides full body coverage, resulting in a peaceful and calming experience, while the targeted spray is ideal for removing stress or loosening tight muscles. You don't need a plumber to make this magnificent addition to your home. The Hydro Rain has adjustable settings that allow you to tailor the water pressure and flow to your needs. Whether you desire a peaceful spa experience or an invigorating shower to start your day, this device delivers on all fronts. Rokid Max AR Glasses. Rokid Max AR Glasses will transform your perspective. These futuristic glasses deliver an immersive experience unlike any other. Imagine being able to watch a gigantic 215-inch screen from anywhere with a lightweight, wearable device. Whether you're viewing movies, playing video games, or working on presentations, these glasses deliver beautiful 1080p graphics with vibrant colors and smooth action owing to a 60 Hz refresh rate. The design is elegant and portable, making it ideal for travelers, gamers, and professionals. Need to plan a hike or imagine your next home project? The Rokid Max projects digital information into the actual world, creating a hands-free, intuitive interface that makes hard activities seem simple. Wow, those gadgets are game changers. Which one's your favorite? Drop in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more epic tech finds. Catch you in the next one.